Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix RF Online Next game crashing or crashes at startup on Android phones. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. So the first fix is to simply restart your Android phone. So just restart your Android phone, and after your phone restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to check for RF Online Next app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for RF Online Next and then tap on it, and if you find any updates available for this app, then update it, and then you can go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to check for internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. Now if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check, and if you are connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to a different Wi-Fi network or mobile data network via hotspot and then check RF Online Next game is working or not. Next solution is to force stop RF Online Next app. So tap and hold the RF Online Next app icon, then click on app info, then tap on force stop, and then again tap on force stop to confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then the next solution is to clear the RF Online Next app cache. So again tap and hold the app icon, then click on app info, go to storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then simply tap on clear data also, and please take a note over here that clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings permanently from this device. So if you agree, only then tap on delete to confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to allow the background activity for the RF Online Next app. So again tap and hold the app icon, then click on app info, then go to the battery usage, and from here check mark the first option, that is allow background activity, and then again click on allow to confirm, then go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and search for it, and then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, such as ExpressVPN, Norton VPN, Turbo VPN, Proton VPN, Ninja VPN, Brave VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store and then launch the VPN app and then connect to a different location than your current location, and then you can go ahead, launch the RF Online Next game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the next solution is to reinstall RF Online Next app. So tap and hold RF Online Next app and then click on uninstall, and then again click on uninstall to confirm it. Then restart your device once, and after your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for RF Online Next game and then tap on it, and then click on install button to reinstall it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last thing you must do is to check for the RF Online Next app server status. And if you find that the server status is offline, under maintenance or having any kind of outages, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online, and then you can check back later. So by following these steps, you can easily solve RF Online Next game crashing or crashes at startup on Android devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.